Can we make something blow up?
You're not even cooking.
I am cooking.
Not really.
Yeah. In this tour, yeah, that's a joke. See? Today we are going to learn how to create a solar system. The ingredients, very, very simple. Well, hydrogen's definitely a part of it. What you're going to need, two things. Gas and dust. Make sure you guys write that down. Gas and dust. You'll see on your paper ingredients, that's what you write down. Now, I'm going to be putting gas and dust onto the board. These lovely papers are representing gas and dust.
Obviously.
Where's the dust and what's the gas? I can't tell.
They all have a mix of them. Just they're different colors.
David, there's green gas.
It is possible to have green gas.
Which one's dust?
They're all dust and gas. It's a mix. It's even.
You're done.
You're done.
Okay, let me spread that out. Okay, from 7th grade. You guys remember about diffusion?
Sure.
Yes, I do.
That's why you smell someone's gas when it comes off. Diffusion. It spreads out. Now,
Candle.
no, it spreads out. Now, diffusion is the spreading out. This gas and dust likes to spread out. However, gravity doesn't like it. It likes to have things come together. First step to creating is squish the nebula. Nebula is gas and dust. Gas and dust. We gotta squish the nebula. Squish the nebula. Now once again, nebula is gas and dust. It's just an easier way of saying that. Because you're squishing it, due to gravity, gravity finally beats that diffusion process, and we start to get a very concentrated source. Very concentrated, squishing together. Gravity's win, that's okay. Let the gravity simmer, let that pressure build up, keep building up that pressure. When we get enough hydrogen in here, tons of hydrogen, we get a little baby star. Little baby star.
Oh, it's like everything.
Little baby star. Now this is called a protostar, but for now we'll call it a baby star.
You're a baby.
I am sorry. So baby star forms, but because this baby star is forming under this pressure, we get this disc forming, disc going around. We got a lot of pressure going here. The little baby star is eating this olive, loves it. The third step is a giant disc forms. My disc isn't working so well, I apologize. But we have a disc, and it's going around. It's going around due to gravity. Spinning around. Love that. Giant disc forms.
Stop laughing.
Now, due to all this gravity and disc, things are colliding. We're getting little baby planets now. So, give me a sec.
They have little diapers, like Sierra.
Well, all the little baby planets start out as a rock, essentially. Now these little baby planets, we call them planetesimals. They're little baby planets. So baby star and baby planets form. That's okay. We're colliding. Gravity's working, and it's working really well. Now once we get enough hydrogen in here, there's so much gravity and hydrogen, just can't stand it. Can't stand just being a little baby star. It's now grown up to the star we know today. The sun. It's now fusing hydrogen into helium. Because now it's big. So it's fusing helium, it actually is pushing away the lighter gas. So we're going to push some of the lighter gas. Sorry, little baby planets. We're going to push some of the nebula out. Thank you. We're going to push some of the nebula out. Let's
David,
actually.
do we have to go get your bike again?
No.
Can I come again? I'm not sure if I can even hang out today. I missed
This kid.
3 periods.
Almost what?
I missed 3 periods today.
Oh.
I was sick.
Now the great thing about these planets out here, they're happy. It's dinner time. They get to eat, and they're going to gobble this nebula right so fast. There's so much hydrogen here, helium, they just love it. Unlike babies who eat and then give off stuff, they don't give it up. They take it all in. So they're going to take in this nebula, this gas, and it's going to start clearing up. Remember, they're heating this up. They love this.
Do we get to eat anything in this cooking presentation?
Well, in a way, you kind of do.
Okay, besides eating knowledge?
Now, because it ate it up,
Ooh, the moon.
what is the last planet furthest away from the sun?
Pluto.
Not Pluto.
Uranus.
Uranus, very good. Remember, it's a gas giant, so the next one would be Neptune.
Then Jupiter.
Then
Saturn.
Saturn. Remember, they ate all this. And then we're missing one. Let's switch it around.
Jupiter.
Then last big planet,
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
More stupid today.
They ate up all that extra gas.
That's where Sierra made.
These planets, let's now go through them. Closest one is? Closest one is?
Mercury.
Mercury.
Venus.
Next one is? Venus. Next one is?
Earth.
Very good. My previous period said Mars.
Look.
It's like, what?
Mars.
The next one is Mars. Now,
We did Jupiter.
we actually,
Eris.
there's actually a little tragedy that happened. This planet,
Died.
it was a little baby when it was trying to grow, but it felt too much pressure from gravity from Jupiter, and it broke up into what you guys know as the
Asteroid belt.
asteroid belt. It's actually a dead planet, so 1 second moment of silence.
Amazing grace.
Now, my previous class felt so moved that they made some posters in dedication, a memorial for the dead planet.
You want me to sing?
Well, one of them bit the baby.
Now, you guys know the joke about R.I.P.?
Rest in peace.
Rest in
Macaroni.
pieces.
Oh, Denise letter.
It's rest in pieces.
I can sing a different song.
So,
Someone said rest in
last step, the star and the planets grow. Last step, star and planets grow. While you guys are writing that out,
Yeti.
I know we had a lot of gas out there, and why these planets are so big, we call them the gas giants. But if there was even more gas here, Jupiter might have formed into another star, and we would have had a binary star system.
Oh my God.
So, if that had happened, though, I doubt we would have had life on Earth.
Yeti.
But it could have happened. It could have
So
happened.
we got really lucky.
Yes. Yes, we got lucky because Jupiter is just a little, well, it's big, but
It's not as big as
thankfully
some.
it's not as big to kill us. So that's good. Now, did you guys get that all written down?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure did.
Wait, where's
I'm
Pluto?
going to show you guys a really cool
Oh, that's Pluto. Wait.
Martha Stewart.
Oh, Martha
Stewart.
Stewart.
Beat Bobby Flay.
No, I wish. Wouldn't it be so cool if they did astronomy and
Yeah.
Yeah, you can hold.